Hello all in this beautiful rainy day. Today I would like to showcase one of our upcoming product releases, namely the EGR coolers. Now the EGR systems are very important because they reduce NOx emissions at a very early stage. But did you know that actually more than 1/2 of the DPF associated failures are actually a result of a coolant leak through the EGR system? Now luckily that no longer has to be an expensive repair, as we are preparing to launch EGR cooler repair kits where you can conveniently reuse the old EGR casing, repair it with a brand new core, which is essentially what is failing, and spend only a fraction of the cost of the whole unit. In the very beginning, we'll be focusing exclusively on MAN EGR cooler repair kits, and that is because MAN is currently the only truck manufacturer that has a very convenient two-piece EGR cooler design, meaning that it has the outer casing and the inner core. And that in turn means that we can provide very cheap and effective repair kits. Thank you for watching, enjoy the rain, follow us on social media, and see you next time.